I would like to say hi, welcome to Making Memories by Jackie, Jaci. If you enjoy this video, please, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, subscribe, and also leave a comment so I will know how I am doing with these wall 2020 wall decors. And so today, we have a new design for 2020. Artistic Creations Wall Expressions with Wire Designs by Jackie. And if you would check online, you will find that these particular designs can be very expensive. So let's get started with this DIY. Once again, you will need a canvas board, which I have here from either the Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, or Walmart. Also, I have a sheet of paper here that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, 5 sheets for $1. So we're going to get started. Here I have some wire that you can purchase as well from the Dollar Tree. And it's about 36 inches long. I took and I folded in, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is spell a word. And the word that I want to spell to put on this artistic creation is love. So just follow along. Be very careful with the wire. Okay, so that's LOVE. Now what I'm going to do, I have some Scotch indoor mounting squares. I'm going to take and cut this in half because I do not need all of the tape, or for the sake of time, I'm just going to take and tear little pieces. And it's okay if it comes loose and the letters do not stay together. That's fine. That's the letter E, the big letter. I want to slim it down. Okay, now what I'm doing, okay, I'm going to show you up close. That's the LOVE. And then I have the wire here. Now the stickers will not stay there. I will take and I will hot glue this down. But I wanted to make sure that I had it centered correctly and I had it spelled correctly. LOVE, love. Doesn't have to be perfect. So I will show you how it looks after I hot glue it down. But I wanted you to see how that makes a beautiful artistic design. The next one, I'm going to show you another. I'm going to use another piece of paper. And once again, I'm going to take and glue this down. This same paper I got from Hobby Lobby. They have all types of designs. I'm using a board that I've used before. So if you have an old board laying down around and you want to use it, great. But these are the new 2020 artistic wire expressions designs. I want you to see the type of paper. Here the centerpiece will be the rose. I really like this one. The roses you can get at the Dollar Tree or you can get at Hobby Lobby or Walmart. Once again, I'm using same type of tabs. And if you want to just go ahead and hot glue it, great. Or you can do what I'm doing and making sure that it is placed the way you want it to, and then you can take and hot glue it. And I'm taking and opening some of the leaves to give it a beautiful design. Now, I took a piece of wire. Once again, I doubled. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of the wire that you can get at Dollar Tree. It's gold. And I'm going to make a leaf. One little loop, if you can see it. You can make it whatever size you want it. Don't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to take it. I'm going to use this wire again, but I made 2 loops. Okay. Trying to get them the same size. Then I'm going to take and push the wire up under there and take the rest of the wire and just twist it around the tail end. Then I don't need to take I'm going to bring it up so that you can see how it looks. Hi. So, this is the piece. And you can always take and play with it to get it the way exactly that you want it. But this will make a beautiful artistic design, perfect for living room, bedroom, dining room. Beautiful wire. Isn't that simply lovely? Oh, I really like that. Wow. Well, if you have enjoyed this presentation, please do not forget to click the bell. Do not forget to subscribe to Making Memories by Jackie, JACI. Please subscribe, invite a friend to join you. Let me know if you like this, and if I get 50 subscribers, wow, I will blow your mind with a much larger one. Love you. Bye bye.